How to get cheaper Shinkansen tickets from Tokyo to Osaka. Save up to 4,320 yen.
Samurai Junjiro Channel.
Hi, I'm Akanemaru, born and raised in Japan. This time, we'll introduce how to ride the Shinkansen from Tokyo to Osaka at a lower cost. First, let us explain the general fares and travel times. There are 3 types of Shinkansen heading towards Osaka from Tokyo Station: Nozomi, Hikari, and Kodama. The fastest one is Nozomi. It takes about 2 hours and 30 minutes to get to Osaka. The fare for reserved seats is 14,720 yen. The Hikari takes about 3 hours, and the Kodama takes about 4 hours. Both fares are 14,400 yen. Considering these travel times and fares, you'd probably choose the Nozomi. Next, we'll introduce how to ride the Shinkansen affordably. First, you need to sign up for SmartEX. SmartEX is a service that allows you to purchase Shinkansen tickets in advance online. Also, by registering transportation IC cards like Suica or Pasmo, you can ride without needing paper tickets. The official website is available in English, so don't worry. You can register from the link in the description box. Enter your credit card information and the ID number from transportation IC cards like Suica or Pasmo. The ID number of the IC card is on the back of the card. By the way, even if you have a balance on your Suica or Pasmo, you can't ride the Shinkansen with them. However, if you register them with SmartEX, you can tap your registered IC card to the ticket gate and ride the Shinkansen. Registering your transportation IC card is optional, but it's necessary if you want to ride without a paper ticket. If you don't have transportation IC cards, there is no need to enter anything. If you've downloaded mobile Suica from the wallet app on your iPhone, you won't be able to confirm the ID number, so there is no need to enter anything. If everyone in the group has transportation IC cards like Suica or Pasmo, enter all the ID numbers of each IC card. If there is at least one person among the companions who doesn't have a transportation IC card, there is no need to enter any ID number. Even if there are 2 or more travel companions, it's okay if only one person registers for SmartEX. If you want to pay separately with different credit cards within the group, each person needs to register individually. Registration is now complete. You can make a Shinkansen ticket reservation by selecting your desired date, boarding station, and destination station. If there are discounted plans available, they will be automatically displayed. Next, we'll explain how to ride the Shinkansen when you've made a reservation with SmartEX. First, let us explain how to directly ride the Shinkansen from Tokyo Station. If you have registered the ID number of your transportation IC card, you just need to tap your registered Suica or Pasmo at the Shinkansen ticket gate. If you haven't registered your transportation IC card number, you'll need to get a ticket from the ticket machine before riding the Shinkansen. You can pass through the ticket gate by inserting the ticket into it. We'll explain how to ride the Shinkansen after arriving at Tokyo Station by train from other stations such as Shibuya Station. If you have registered the ID numbers of your transportation IC cards, you just need to tap your registered IC card at the Shinkansen ticket gate. If you haven't registered your transportation IC card number, you'll need to get a ticket from the ticket machine before riding the Shinkansen. If you have traveled by train using a ticket, you'll need to insert both the Shinkansen ticket and the train ticket together at the Shinkansen ticket gate. If you have a transportation IC card but haven't registered its ID number with SmartEX, after inserting your Shinkansen ticket at the Shinkansen gate, tap your IC card such as Suica card or mobile Suica. It automatically adjusts the fare from the station you boarded to Tokyo Station. It's a bit complex, but the registration and how to ride the Shinkansen are clearly explained on the official website. There is a link in the description box, so please check it out. If you have any questions about how to get tickets from the ticket machine or how to pass through the gate, you should ask the station attendant. They'll explain it to you in an easy to understand. SmartEX offers various discount services, but this time we'll share 5 services where Shinkansen tickets from Tokyo Station to Shin Osaka Station are discounted. First up is the EX Hayatoku 21 Wide. It's a service where you can get a discount by booking up to 21 days before the travel date. If you're traveling from Tokyo Station to Kyoto Station or Shin Osaka Station, both will be discounted by 2,350 yen. The EX Hayatoku 28 Wide, which you can book 28 days in advance, it will be discounted by 2,480 yen. It's 130 yen cheaper compared to the EX Hayatoku 21 Wide, but you can change your reservation after purchasing the ticket for the EX Hayatoku 28 Wide, so it's not highly recommended. By the way, the EX Hayatoku 21 Wide, you can change your travel date or time without any fee, even on the day of your Shinkansen ride. Next is the EX Hayatoku Family Nozomi 3, which can be used by 2 or more people. Reservations made from 1 month to 3 days before the travel date will be discounted. The travel dates are limited on Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays. The fare from Kyoto and Shin Osaka will be discounted by 2,150 yen. You can also change your travel date or time without any fee on the day of taking the Shinkansen. Next is the Plat Kodama, which offers significant discounts. This service offers cheaper fares by booking tickets for the Kodama in advance. The ticket from Tokyo Station to Kyoto Station is 3,380 yen off, and to Shin Osaka Station, it's 3,510 yen off. The round-trip fare from Tokyo Station to Shin Osaka Station will be discounted by 7,020 yen. The popular seafood buffet in Toyosu costs 6,578 yen, so it's like eating for free if you use the money you save. When you purchase a Plat Kodama ticket, you'll get a drink exchange ticket that can be used at the station. You can also exchange it for alcoholic beverages such as canned beer. By the way, you can't change the travel date or time. You can cancel for free up to 10 days in advance, but after that there will be a fee, so keep that in mind. The last one is the EX Hayatoku Family Kodama 3, which offers the biggest discount. It's available for 2 or more people only on Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays. Reservations can be made up to 3 days before the travel date. You'll get a discount of 3,870 yen to Kyoto Station from Tokyo Station and 4,320 yen to Shin Osaka Station. It doesn't come with a drink exchange ticket, but even on the day of riding the Shinkansen, you can change the travel date or time without any fees. If you're traveling from Tokyo Station to Shin Osaka Station by Shinkansen, using this discount service is the cheapest option. However, there are some points to note. The Shinkansen you can ride with the last 2 services introduced is not the Nozomi but the Kodama. The Kodama takes 4 hours to get to Shin Osaka. It takes about 1 hour and 30 minutes longer than the Nozomi. There are also days, such as peak periods, when the discounts offered by SmartEX, which we introduced this time, can't be used. When you search for routes with SmartEX, discount plans are automatically displayed. You need to make reservations through the dedicated booking page to use Plat Kodama. If you want to travel as cheaply as possible or have some extra time to spare, it's better to use this service. Well, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye!